Hello friends, thank you for watching my video. This video is about the unboxing of the Truke earphone which I buy from the Amazon. So basically friends, ये वीडियो है unboxing वीडियो एक्चुअली Truke earphones की जो मैंने Amazon से ऑर्डर किए थे. एक्चुअली इस टाइम डिलीवरी टाइम Amazon ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा लगा दिया है. सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम एंड ओपन इट. तो हम देखते हैं क्या है बॉक्स में, इस पैकेट में. ये रहा हमारा मेन यूनिट जिसके ऊपर हम करेंगे बात. एंड ये है जिसके अंदर ये पैक होके आया था. सो लेट्स ट्राई इट. सो एज यू कैन सी काफ़ी लाइट वेट फील हो रहा है. एंड हेयर वी कैन सी दैट इट्स import and manufacturing model number. MRP is like 4,999, but basically you can just remove the 4 and 100. You will get it for 899, which is pretty well. As here we can see that TWS Insta pairing, secure fit deep pass, 500 mAh charging case. You can see that connectivity distance 10 meter, standby 24 hours, call duration for type charging type C, net weight 48 grams, and this is what is the QR code. It is Bluetooth 5.0, charging time 9 minutes, playback 4.5. One AirPod have like 40 mAh battery, and this comes with 500 mAh battery. Here you can see it. Truke written on. And here are some other features compatible with Windows, Android and iOS. So let's not waste the time and take it off. So basically it is a, I think, blue case, blue one, and I ordered for the black one, I think. So I have to reconfirm it, but yeah, I got it finally. I ordered it on the 7th December, then it is shipped on the 11th. It reached to the delivery station on 13. And on 14 it shows that out for delivery, but is just not delivered. It shows that some error, so we are not able to deliver it. And here does it come. It's slim case. Here it is the case, very cute. Probably here it is. We have to just close it. Here is box. In the box it is blue, but inside it is black in color. So very nice. Here what does it comes? It's charging. Actually it is type C. I have to keep this very safe. Here is its Truke user manual, where we can see that how to pair it and its operation. You can see that you can, if you want to read, you can just take a screenshot of it. And here is the main thing. So let me just take it out. It's very cute, and let me just try to wear. So yeah, it is like having plastic cover on it, so it does not connect to its charging. It comes with magnetic, so yeah, it is quite good. So let's check it well. So yeah, it is good in the size, but my ears are like not that much big, so I have little bit issue while fitting it is in my ears. But yeah, after fitting it is really good. I think we can use it as the mono AirPods also. So we have to just put it back here like this, just turned on. Here you can see you have to just do it. So this is the quick unboxing after, and we get this, and here is the box. So thanks for watching my video. Hope give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It shows that it has 13 mm driver. So as if we see the size of the AirPods, we can assume that yeah, it comes with that much number of it. And I will give you review after 1 week that how does it sound and how does it fit. Thanks for watching.